my YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear me because I'm in the garage because I'm gonna go to Walmart, HEB, and the hair store because the 4th of July is tomorrow and we barbecue and we need to get stuff for that. So yeah, pick the camera back up when we get there. Y'all, so we made it to Walmart. How did we?
You got YouTube one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, you want to get? And this is regular audio, not audio. See, they know. Huh. Y'all, we gonna pick up. I want to go get it from Walmart, but they end up having it right, so yeah, I'm gonna get that. And I'm gonna get a barbecue sauce, 2 beans.
2 beans?
Yeah. Y'all, I got my baby a watch, and we gonna do some s'mores. Hey y'all, so it's the next morning / day. Today's the 4th of July. So I'm whispering because my baby sleep. I just put in bed. Excuse the done. But we already kind of started cooking. I started on the baked beans, the potato salad, and now I'm gonna start on the mac and cheese. A little bit of this chicken bouillon to the mac and cheese water. I also add like used chicken broth to make like the noodles better. Two scoops. Look how I look, y'all. I'm not dressed right now. I'm not ready right now, but I'm gonna get ready in a little bit. But
Okay, guys. This is a potato salad.
it's not done. Yeah, and for the mac and cheese, I didn't feel like grating no cheese, so we're gonna use already, cause baby, who finna do all that? Not me. I'm not used to talking in the camera, bro.
Why?
Cause I
Because you voice over.
yeah, okay.
Are you going to put music on?
No,
What, baby?
I'm gonna add the noodles to it.
You want to take
Then I'm gonna make my roof for the mac and cheese. So I'll be right back. I brought my pickle relish for my potatoes. My sweet relish.
You wanna fucking play around with this shit.
And I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high.
So yeah, this is the potato salad. And I'm gonna start it on the
Lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this.
with the job and
You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Y'all, the kids are up. I have to get them dressed. Ace might just wear his swim trunks because he's just getting in the pool. But Amir's gonna wear like red because he's not getting in the pool. He just woke up. Ace too.
That pool?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then y'all, my man is out here cooking. Well, he's starting to hang up. You gotta clean the back. It's a little dirty. The back, we gonna clean it up. But he's prepping to put the ribs on there and the other stuff. Yeah, he putting the rib on.
I'll open it.
With my hand? It's not hot. Ace said he ready to eat. I'm gonna have to come back and clean up. So y'all, I'm getting ready right now. I'm whispering because my baby is asleep. But yeah, I just got on this skim top with, you know, some skim shorts. They like this type of material. I hope y'all can hear me. That I got from TikTok shop. I'm gonna see y'all. I think, yeah, I'm done cooking my Mr. Barbecue, so I think we're gonna blow up Ace pool so he can get in the pool. But yeah, see y'all outside. Y'all, look at the barbecue. Yeah. Look at Ace. He's finna. We got a pool and we got some watermelons that he been had. now, people? Yeah, look at the pool. Oh, I might get in. Why you look like? Yeah, excuse the backyard. We did not clean it.
I'm not getting in.
I ain't know it was this big.
Back up to that pit.
I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me, but right now I'm just blowing up the pool. The pit right there, y'all. We gotta clean up this because it look crazy. Look at this, y'all. He's so ready to get in the water. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me and it's loud. Put it in the backyard.
Face in the crowd.
All right.
I don't know where this from, but my shit is from Skin. It's easy. And the baby's sick right now, so yeah, I'll show y'all how to wake up. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hopefully they can hear me.
Y'all, so we done blowing the pool up and y'all look how big it is. We didn't expect it to be this big and long. I'm finna turn the water on, huh? You ready? And I'm finna take the dip. Y'all, it's so hot. I need a fan out here, but I'm finna go cut the watermelon a little bit. Right now, I'm just finna eat some chips dip. And I want for my baby to wake up so I can get her dressed. Y'all, it's so hot. But yeah.
Tyrone?
Y'all, he put the dish sausage on there. We got a hot dish sausage and a regular dish sausage. Y'all, the baby woke up. I put him on this H.O. outfit when he was a baby. And we got the fan out here because y'all, it's hot than a hole. Yeah, she putting the water balloons inside the water. Yeah, I'm a little bit full. I'm sitting down with the baby.
Say happy.
Yeah, this how the food came out. This not even all the food. I couldn't even fit everything on the plate, but and that was just big of me. But we got beans, baked macaronis, hot link sausage, ribs, chicken, and potato salad. We finna go get fireworks. Well, I look crazy. I was laying down because the girl was tired. But now we're finna go get fireworks. Yeah, so we made it to the fireworks. Now look at them.
Reaching for the stars. I'm richer than I've ever been. 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 I'm richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cost hoes, etc. Hit them with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up.
Yeah, he ready to pop some fireworks. Yeah, he gonna go in the house as soon as he sees some big ones.
Not too much. Sister here. Hold it like this away from you. Hold it
My
with
baby's
your
scared.
feet. Like that.